Introducing Cordless Lift and Lock Cellular Shades from Coverside Installations. This innovative push-button control provides an always-free cordless option for raising and lowering your shades. Available in a full lineup of colors and cell sizes, cellular shades are known for their superior insulating ability. Complete the look with a fabric-wrapped headrail or fabric-wrapped bottom rail for a total color match. To operate the shade, simply push and hold the button and release it to lock the shade in place wherever you'd like. To see the always free cordless lift and lock cellular shade in your home, visit coversideinstall.com to schedule a consultation today.